Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Infogain from hiring women engineers only. So this is for completely women candidate. This is the Google form which they are provided here. You just want to complete approximately 8 minutes, otherwise it will be automatic close. You just want to re-again it. Before filling this form, you just subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. You can watch my channel about internship and interview experience of a current update I am providing. So just watch my channel daily. I just want to give a first name. I just give rock woman name. It should be Sita, and the last name should be Sita, and the mail ID at gmail.com. Just a freely I will just providing. So and the primary contact number should be there, and secondary contact number also it must. So just want to give your college name. You should type and qualification B Tech or M Tech. So 2021 or 2022, B percentage they mention. You just want to give percentage like this. So don't mark percentage symbol. 10th percentage, 12th percentage, diploma not there means no problem. MCA not finished, no problem. Just want to click here and you just want to submit it. This is the form for woman engineer from Infogain. So apply as much quickly. It will be open until July 10th. So apply as much if you quickly means it will be helpful for you in getting a MNC job. So thanks for watching this channel, guys.